Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I be the host, Brandon, and today we are getting back into the house. MPL from Naples, Italy. Orale Napoli! Okay. So we're getting into it. Here is the bottle. Let's not hesitate, procrastinate. Let's illuminate. Boom, there it is. There it is. That's what it looks like. Face tracking still on point. We're going to go ahead and roll into it. We have patchouli today. All right, so there's the fragrance. You know, I like my fragrance with a little bit of tinge to them. A little bit of country grandma. Yeah. All right, patchouli. I don't really have any patchouli-based fragrances. So this would be good to get on the spirit. We're not going to use a whole lot here. It looks pretty dense. All right, it looks pretty dense. We're going to go ahead and get this on the back of the wrist. One more for good luck. Bam! All right. Fully activated. And now it's propagating. All right. So. Patchouli needs no introduction. It is probably one of the most famous fragrances in the world. But my patchouli has a very personal story to tell. The fragrance was an absolute favorite of someone dear to me who preferred it to any other perfume. This prompted me to create thorough, extensive research on patchouli in the traditional style without any modern contaminations. Contaminations in air quotes. Patchouli is the perfume that those who know what they want, who do not compromise, who prioritize the important things about being distracted by alternatives. It is strong present. It is a strong present fragrance to which I have given even more persistence with amber accord in the base of the notes. We have patchouli in the top notes. You have patchouli in the middle notes. You have base accord and patchouli. So this is a patchouli amber note fragrance. And I can tell you right now, this is probably the sexiest patchouli I've ever smelled. I'm gonna be honest. This is a very sexy fragrance. This is very sexy. It's very sexy. It's got a chocolatey vetiver vibe. Amber is not something that I like all that much because it can get a bit cloying, and it's a bit sweet, and it's very dense. I'm not getting that with this. I'm getting like a chocolatey vetiver type of fragrance. Let's venture off into Fragrantica. I think that this fragrance, it's interesting, right? Because it's such a strong patchouli. It kind of reminds me of all the patchoulis that I've ever smelled. I really like this. It's not really changing or doing anything outside of where it started. It kind of smells exactly where I initially smelled it from. And that makes you think, like, when they say contaminations, and I just put that because that's how he quoted it. I think that that's what he's talking about. Like, this is patchouli. This is what you're going to get. I know a lot of people just love patchouli. Patchouli, woody, amber, warm spice, earthy, balsamic. I would say that this is a reference patchouli. I think that this is a patchouli you need to have in your collection, or at least a sample. I like things like this. Now, it would be blasphemy to layer this with something, but why wouldn't you try that, you know? Mostly because it's such a strong patchouli, but it's giving me a really chocolate vetiver vibe, and I don't really see that listed with Fragrantica. I'm getting chocolate and vetiver. Patchouli, an exotic bush that grows mainly in India. The leaves of which produce an essential oil of patchouli. Sweet, dark with earthy, woody edge. It is a very popular with blends, especially the contemporary woody floral musk. There are also synthetics and fractal extractions. I'm also getting like a minty type of thing going on, like a hint, like a baby breath of mint. Like no, I'm not even gonna say that. Yeah, a baby's breath of mint. I like this. I mean, there's not a whole lot to it, so if you're expecting to be wowed by its transitions, I think you might be a little upset by that. But again, like that minty aspect of it is definitely coming out. I like fragrances like this. Like this is your perfumer's favorite fragrance, right? It's clean. As far as who, anybody. When you could wear this, because of the mintiness, I would say all year round. I would just watch how you, how much you apply in the like the dead of summer. Yeah, I would say it's smoothing out a little bit. Maybe less of the vetiver vibe is coming through. Still getting that dark chocolatey, not as sweet, but definitely more minty. But what do you guys think? Have you tried this? What do you think of the house? My name is Brandon. This is the InScentive Collection. Okay, there's plenty of things for you to enjoy on the channel. Check them out. One thing I know for sure, YouTube is making some excellent recommendations right now. Check them out. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.